All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Here we're going to work on number 4 from this 13.5 worksheet. It's about Gina's handheld PDA. What's a PDA? It's like a Palm Pilot. It's this thing right here. What was it used for? Think of it as a calendar. Think of it as a cell phone that didn't make calls or send texts. That's basically what a PDA was. But at one point, they were super cool. They were invented in 1997, and they lasted for about 10 years before the cell phone made them obsolete. Here's the problem. Basically, Gina's going this way and then turns left and is heading this way. And she needs to be within 40 miles of that transmission tower. So, is Gina close enough to the transmission tower to be able to send and receive emails? Let's see. So this is 32. What on earth? Sonic. The angle is 97 degrees, and she has traveled 19 miles on Oakville Road. The first question is, how far away is she? This is going to be a law of cosines problem. So let's call this A, B, and C. That makes this A, B, and C. In general, the law of cosines is little c squared equals little a squared plus little b squared minus 2 times a times b times cosine of capital C. Okay, all right. So, in this case, we're looking for that. That's what we want. So we're going to call that a squared equals, and we know what b and c are, so we really switch the a and the c. I hope you're comfortable with doing this. If not, just come see me. 19 squared plus 32 squared minus 2 times 19 times 32 times cosine of 97. Let me pause the video and bust out my calculator real quick. Alright, so here's how you type this into the calculator. 19 squared plus 32 squared minus 2 times 19 times 32 times cosine, parentheses, 97. Enter. That is c squared, or that's a squared in this case. Uh, 1533.193. So then you take the square root of that to get a. Again, when that's in your calculator, I just take it to the 1/2 power. It's the same thing as square rooting it. You know that from Algebra 2. And you get a equals 39.15 miles. So, yeah, Sonic. Okay? So, yes, it can, this PDA can send and receive emails at that point. So, yes, it is close enough because it's less than 40. Now let's go on to the question B. Okay? If Gina is within range of the tower, how much further can she drive on Oakville Road before she is out of range? So now what we want to do is we want to fix this to be 40. We still have our angle to be 97 degrees. And we still have this distance to be 32 miles. And we want to know that. So, hopefully you understand the difference. Now, this is fixed to 40, and they're asking, well, how far can we drive? So let's see. Let's give these letters again. We'll still stick with C and A and B, and that makes this little c, little a, and little b. And we're solving it for c. So c squared equals, let's see, let me just write it out. We're not going to have the information I need, but I think we'll be able to do some work. We might have to do law of sines first. Yep, we need this. Okay, so watch what we're going to do. But I'll show you how I know that we're going to need that. It's going to be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of capital C. Notice we don't know this and we don't know that. So the new problem is to find angle C. Now, how am I going to find angle C? Well, I don't know, but I think I can use law of sines to find angles. Sine of 97 is to 40 like sine, well, see, I don't know C. So let's find angle B. Like sine of B, because I do know that B is 32. Okay? Do a little cross multiply and divide. 32. 32 times the sine of 97 divided by 40, and you get sine of B equals 0.7940.